Attention subscribers and viewers. Hey everyone, Bob Nevin here. Just a quick heads up. We had a bit of a scheduling fluke in the production of videos this week, so please excuse our mess as we expand. We are shifting gears to bring you a rock-solid, brand new schedule starting next week. 3 fresh videos dropping every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And trust me, you want to mark your calendar for this Monday's drop because we are dropping some serious information. If you're a teenager or a young adult looking to make some real side cash, or you need a killer summer job so you can make some money on the side and that you can do this entirely from your home, this is for you. And no, it's not what you think. We are not talking about doing boring surveys until your brain turns blue. No, making YouTube channels or videos, no drop shipping, no affiliate marketing, and no competing for pennies on Fiverr or Upwork. None of that. It is something completely different. Now for something completely different. And I am revealing the whole strategy this Monday. Stay tuned, have a great weekend, and get ready to stop waffling and start winning. We'll see you on Monday. Thanks for watching. This is Bob. Make it a great day.